How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. And cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in, for subscribing, as we're almost at 50,000 subscribers, which is nuts, guys. Again, I appreciate all of you for tuning in. So we have to break down Soundhound AI this morning, do an update, as it has been a couple of days. I can't remember the last time we've done an update. We definitely haven't done an update this week, so we have to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, and we'll break down the indexes later in the video. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys, and get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link right down below or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers again, guys. Let's dive into it. So like I said, man, it's been interesting, and it's been a couple of days since we've made our last Soundhound video, and let's just say, man, it's been a wild ride. We're now back at $16 per share. We're actually down about 2% on the day today so far. And by the way, it's about 10:30 a.m. East Coast time when I'm making this video. So pretty much, guys, the markets just opened less than an hour ago. And we're down a little bit. But earlier today, guys, in the morning, we hit almost $18 a share. And yesterday, I'm sure a lot of you guys saw, was a ridiculous green day. The stock went up, I think, 20% on the day, as a lot of smaller companies did. The Russell crushed it. I mean, yesterday, if you guys didn't know, was the first day for the stock market, at least, as Donald Trump being president, right? So it was the first day we had trading with Trump in, and stocks crushed it, all across the board pretty much, small caps, large caps, and Soundhound was one of those. Man, it really took off yesterday after consolidating for a couple of days. You guys can see here, 1, 2, 3 days of consolidation at about $14, 13, 14, and then yesterday, man, we just took off like a freaking rocket ship, right? And on this 30-minute chart, now you guys can see we are reversing, it looks like, right? As of now, we have a golden cross. We are above the 180 moving average. We were above the 50 moving average on this time frame yesterday and earlier in the pre-market today, but now we're back under it as the day is starting to play out. But overall, guys, still directionally, we're bullish on this time frame. We're reversing, golden cross, the whole 9 yards, right? And on this 20-day chart, same thing, golden cross, above both moving averages after we had a death cross, and we were under both moving averages for the first roughly 3 weeks of this year. So, guys, Soundhound went from a point of going down 50%, getting hit, the bears taking over, to now the bulls, they're starting to come to life again, right? They're starting to come to life again, guys, and we're reversing slowly but surely on a lot of these time frames. And as we pull back the layers even more here on the 4-hour time frame, if I zoom in a little bit, what do we have? We're starting to get a push out of both moving averages on this time frame as well, which is huge, guys. But remember that head and shoulders we talked about? You guys are probably like, Stas, didn't you make a video saying how Soundhound is, bearish, the head and shoulders, oh my God, now you're flip-flopping on that? Well, because we're turning bullish now, because we're starting to break this neckline. Do you guys see it? We're slowly starting to reverse. The neckline of the head and shoulders here was at about, what, $15.75-ish, $16, and we obviously broke out of it. And now we're pulling down. We're actually retesting that resistance as support. You guys see it So ideally now, if we bounced off of this again, started going 17 plus again, that would be ideal for the Bulls, right? So for the most part, guys, the Head and Shoulders is out the window at this point, although it still could play out. I mean, we still could get a dump off under 16, 15.50. We'll see if that happens, but as of now, it looks like the Bulls want to take this thing higher. So that's a quick rundown, a breakdown, an update, whatever you want to call it, on Soundhound AI, ticker symbol SOUN. And full disclosure, guys, I am not in this stock right now, but I'm eyeing it up as a trade. I'm not looking to buy long-term shares personally at this point. Excuse me, guys. Man, my throat's a little better than yesterday. I don't think I'm getting sick again. I think we're getting better. We're going in the right direction. But either way, Soundhound, for me, I'm looking at it as a trade. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And before we talk about some other stocks that are moving right now, guys, don't forget to join the email list. It's free, completely free. Put your first name, your email address, using that link down below in the description box or pinned in the comment section. And I send you guys my top stocks every week for free. Again, first name, email address, using that link down below, and you guys are in there. So that's a rundown on Soundhound AI. And the indexes right now, like I said earlier, we're about an hour into the session. The S&P's up 0.6%. Now we're about, less than $3 away from all-time highs here on SPY. We're getting there, man. $2, $3 away. Unbelievable. So that looks like we're going to get all-time highs maybe at some point this week. Not guaranteed, of course, obviously. And QQQ is ripping, guys. 1.4% in the green. We're pushing now over 530. We're $7 away from highs. And this is all because of Netflix, guys. Thank you, Netflix. Netflix is up 11%. Yeah, 11, 12%. The company reported earnings yesterday, and we broke over $1,000 per share today, guys. Unreal, which maybe I'll do a deeper dive video into Netflix. We didn't break down their earnings yet here on YouTube. But it looks like here we have a lot of increases in price targets. Oh, man. Yeah, we'll dive deeper into these earnings. Looks like they raised their full year 25 revenue, so guidance is getting raised. Yeah, what are stocks? Forward-looking vehicles, right, guys? So when you're raising the guidance, like we talk about here on the channel all the time, stocks love that. Investors love that. And, man, Netflix keeps on crushing. And am I surprised? No, we covered this, man. Literally a couple of days ago, I talked to you guys about Netflix, it potentially breaking back to the top of this channel, $1,000 a share, and here we are. We're here. The reality is Netflix is the top dog. Now they're doing all these live events. Who knows what deals they have in the pipeline? Their shows are the best. Their originals, for the most part, are solid. Man, this company is just crushing it. And, yeah, the stock is going bananas. And ARM Holdings is up 15% right now, which is like, what is going on here, guys? This thing is just going nuts. ARM Holdings CEO Rene has on $500 billion Stargate project. It's a big, big deal. Okay. So this is something worth monitoring, which we'll maybe do another video on this. But President Trump, his new project Stargate, which essentially is a $500 billion AI infrastructure investment. Maybe I'll make a video on that. Probably in my NVIDIA update, we'll talk about that. But, man, that is huge. Stocks like ARM Holdings are going bananas. A bunch of other stocks are moving. NVIDIA's up over 4%, guys. We'll cover that later, most likely tonight. So, guys, make sure to subscribe here on the main channel. We're almost at 50,000 subs. Hit the like button and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, It's a no-brainer, I'm telling you. So use that link right down below or go to StarSurfS.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.